My name is Eumene Lee, and I'm a research associate here at Truvian. I work on the R&D team, specifically on the immunoassay team. What inspired me to be a scientist was that I wanted to help sort of revolutionize the healthcare system. Right before I applied to Truvian, my mom asked me to help go with her to the doctors to get her blood test done. And it was a really complex, convoluted process for something so simple. We had to make an appointment, wait in long lines, and then we had to get the doctor's approval to get a blood test. And then we had to schedule an appointment with the lab, then go wait in the lab, get test results, and then we got a sheet of paper that just listed everything, but we had to then go back to the doctor to schedule something. So I really wanted to help create something that could kind of make that process a lot more user-friendly and more affordable and more accessible to people. And when I was looking around, Truvian was doing just that. They were looking to revolutionize blood testing, and that was something that I was really passionate about and something that I wanted to help contribute to.